Hey guys, it's Yvette, and yes, I am in the middle of my move. We are going to be out of here in a little over 2 weeks, but I have boxes that have been piling up while I've been house shopping and all this other kind of stuff. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get them opened and share with you guys what I have so that I can then pack things up nicely. Instead of in boxes, everything will be out. So the first thing that I want to open is a new box to me. And I know that, Scooch buddy, Jelly Bean, come over here. Come over here. No, you're too long in there. For goodness sakes. So I know that you guys primarily come here for quilting and especially for foundation paper piecing. I do open boxes still. I don't do a whole lot of box openings. I'm trying to get my YouTube mojo back, and things are starting to come around. Like, I'm feeling better. I decided, you know what? I'm gonna put my cool little I'm a star earrings on, and I tried this powder that apparently like makes you a little bit, you know, like glowy. So I have not been to the South Caribbean. I just put powder on. So anyways, what I'm trying to say is I'm feeling really good today. So I'm probably going to have a whole bunch of boxes that I'm going to open that, you know, so that you guys can check it out. Okay, so I keep like squirrel, you know. I know that you primarily come here for quilting and for foundation paper piecing. However, I have learned over the past couple years, and actually over most of my life, he's going to keep doing this, that most people who are crafters definitely like more than one craft. You know, so while I am predominantly a quilter, I still love counted cross stitch, which I have been sharing with you guys. And over the course of my life, I have picked up and put down crocheting. And so I don't know why, but for some reason over the past few months, I picked crocheting up again, and I have just lots of interest in different sorts of things. And so I thought, you know, while I'm doing this, while I'm, you know, on this little kick right now, I would open up a couple of subscriptions that have to do with crocheting. And let me tell you guys something. When I decided to go and check out what they had out there for subscription boxes for crocheting, which honestly, well, crochet, knit, you know, it encompasses the whole thing. I had no idea that I was going to find all the things that I found. So basically, I chose 2 different ones to give a go, and I'm going to see how I like it. I'm going to see how you guys like it. Maybe I'll keep them for a little bit. Maybe I'll cancel one because it's not really speaking to me and like check out another one. I'm not really sure how I'm going to end up going. But the first one that really excited me was this one called, and I think it's called Leither. Y'all, I could be wrong. I have no idea. Leither Co. It's Leither Company is what it is. And it really like jumped out at me. So I thought, okay, this is going to be one of the first 2 that I try. So let's get the tape cut because I haven't done anything with it. This came to my house just before I went to Colorado to find a house. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm kind of excited. So let's see what's inside. Oh, and I should tell you that there are lots of options. So if you don't like the choice that I made, there are other choices. You can order only yarn, or you could order, so if you did that, I think you get 1 skein of yarn. If you can also order a different box that has 2 skeins of yarn, or you can order 1 skein of yarn and a hook, which is the one I chose, or you can get 2 skeins of yarn and a hook. Also, you can decide what kind of hook you want. You can either get a like all natural, or you can get what I'm calling a funky. And of course, I went with funky. So let's see what I got. And I'll direct you to their website and you can see all the choices if crochet or knitting or any of this stuff that yarn encompasses, if it interests you at all. Okay, so let's get it open. And when you open it up, there it is. So, and then it comes in a little organza pouch. So now I'll scooch this down. Jelly Bean getting all excited. You excited, buddy? Yeah? You want to go in the box? I don't know, it's little. It's a little box. Okay, so let's open it up. Wow, this yarn is really nice. Okay, so I'm going to take the little, they have a little card inside. And this is, it says Leither Collection. I hope I'm saying it right. Is it Leither? Y'all let me know. This is the September 2022 Seashell Collection. They have a QR code here on the back that you can scan to get the crochet patterns, because you do get patterns that come with the box, but they are not like printed out or anything. You just scan the QR code and then you can go and get them. Let's see. There you go. That seems like that's everything. Okay, so, and then here it is on the back. So we got inside, oh my goodness, there's two, you can either call these zipper pulls, or you could use them as a stitch marker, apparently. So I don't know, I would probably use these as like zipper pulls. But look how cute they are. Look, there's this lovely pink one. And then what is that? Oh, it's a seashell. Yes, please. In fact, I have a bag that I made with Steph that zipper pull would look amazeballs. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be scooching that over to there. And then I have this extra one that I can make another bag with. Or who knows? I mean, I make bags too. I like bags. So that's cute. And then I will show you the yarn. This is, now I have to admit that I am not 100%, in fact, I wouldn't even say I'm 50% caught up on lingo that has to do with yarn, crochet, knitting, anything, because it's just, I had put crochet down for like a few years, actually, and that tends to be how I do with crocheting. I kind of like pick it up and then I put it down, and then my interests change in them. So I'm gonna read it to you like it is on here, and you will, if you are a crocheter slash knitter slash whatever, you will know this lingo much better than I do. So this is called Seashell. It is a bulky yarn. It is 100% superwash merino, and we have received 107 yards / 100 grams. I love it. Look how it's got those, this totally reminds me of stuff that I would make for my house, because I decorate beachy themes. And so I can see that there's very little browns, but they are in there, and that would represent sand to me. I love these blues. That would be like the ocean. And then, I mean, I'm sorry, but there's always room for pink. And it's actually, it's more like a raspberry. I wouldn't even say it's pink. It's more like a raspberry. And I am actually learning. I started seeing, and, you know, I really don't have time to watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos. You know, I just don't. I have so much stuff going on. Y'all already know that. But I have gone to a couple of people who have crocheting YouTube channels, and I found out that you cannot just start using your yarn whenever you get it like this. Don't do that, baby. Jelly Bean is liking the crochet hook. You're going to see that in a second. But apparently you unwind this whole thing and make it into a ball, and then you use it. Because if you start trying to pull it, chances are it's going to tangle up. That's what I'm learning. And I'm glad I learned that, because I would have been the first one to try to just pull it out. I would have been the first one. So there you go. So there's the yarn for this month. Oh, it's so pretty. And now here is the crochet hook that I got for this month. It is a J. I don't know what the number is on that, but it's a J. That's the American one. And so you can see that the hook is a little bit bigger to go with that chunky yarn. And there is the crochet hook. And what I saw, like, of people who have been getting this subscription, that, you know, they do it mostly for the crochet hook, which I totally get it. I mean, even if you don't, oh my goodness, I could just put these up somewhere. I just think that that is so pretty. It is so pretty. I really do think that I may not, you know, keep this subscription up like forever and ever, amen, but I'm going to stick with this one for a little bit, because I'm liking what I got. And I'll give you all the prices down below as well too, because I don't remember off the top of my head. But the information will be in the description box. So please go down and check it out. Not only is it in the description box, but I will copy and paste it into the first comment, the first pinned comment at the top of the video. And so there you go. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, or do you already get it? I mean, I know that there have to be some of you guys who are crocheters and knitters out there as well. And maybe you already get it. Maybe you have like a whole slew of the crochet hooks. And I mean, yay! So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't want to make these really, really long. So I'll see you. And thanks so much for stopping by to see what's in the Leither Company box. You can also let me know if I'm saying it wrong. Bye, guys. Mwah.